In this video, I will be sharing that how to do a basic connections, and if you do this, what and all will be happening. So now let's get started. So basically, three things you can take whatever components. For example, motor, buzzer, and even you can take like a bulb. So okay, now this symbol is wrong, because for buzzer we usually make it like this, like legs, and we put a top on it. So this is called a buzzer, not B arrow mark, because this only belongs to bulb. So now you can take whatever components, and now imagine I'll just take this off. So now if we take these three wires and with a positive and another one negative, positive, negative, and positive, and positive and negative. So now we can combine every positive wires. This we can take, this we can take, and after that we can draw it like this. This is a positive wire, and you can take this one and this one and another one, and the negative wire. Usually we should draw negative wire a little bit forward. So now you can take, for buzzer, maximally voltage for a project wire will be 12 voltage, and maximum of motor is 6 voltage, and this maximum of bulb is 3 voltage. I am considering the normal ones. So now what you have to do is add everything. So which is equal to 12 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to, so carry out 21 voltage. So now it's not necessary to give 21 voltage. If we keep 22 voltage, this mainly a bulb go off, and maybe this buzzer and the motor will survive, because in the bulb we have tungsten, which is really sensitive, guys. So if you add one more voltage itself, it will burst off. So you usually have, if you have these HEW batteries, you can take this like 9 into 3 are. So that is not also enough, because 9 into 3 are 27. So now 27 voltage will damage the bulb and most probably the motor also. So now what we're gonna do is take 9 into 2, which is equal to 18, and 18 voltage, and give, I'll take a HEW battery. So don't mind it, I'll just put it like this and give the proper connection, positive and the negative, positive and the negative. So I'll just connect this positive and positive, and I'll just connect with the negative and negative. So now the motor will run, the buzzer will run, and the bulb also will run. So now this is how you do a basic circuit. But if you change the connections, maybe there will be a problem. Let me explain you. So now if I take a battery, HEW battery, and a positive and a motor with a shaft, with a switch. So this is positive and this is negative. So as I said before itself, we have to mark this as positive and this is positive. So now you have to connect only one. So you can't actually determine a switch as a negative and a positive. Both things has to be same. You can take neither positive and positive or negative and negative. So now I'll take positive. So now what we're gonna do is take the positive wire and keep it. That's it. Take another bit wire and connect with the motor positive. And after that I take this negative wire and connect it directly. Because if you what will be happening if you cut like this means what will happen if you do like this? So 1 minute. So what will happen if you do like this? Disconnected and disconnected. So now what will basically happen means you take this battery and you take the motor supply will be taken by 2-bit wires, and if you turn on the switch the motor bursts off. So now this is what will happen if we connect like this. Now I hope you guys have understand how to connect with the basic connections, and now let me see in the next video. Until then, bye.